So every day, thousands of people come here to see Sagrada Familia, and I've watched loads of videos on YouTube of Sagrada Familia and then Park Güell, and every time I've watched them, they never show me how they got from here to Park Güell. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how you would walk up there. I might not be walking myself, but I'm going to show you the route, and I'm going to show you, like, let's say some like landmines so that you can remember the route. So when you get to this metro station and Sagrada Familia is behind you, McDonald's is to the right of you, you need to walk up this road here. I can't see the name of the road now. I'll try and take a photo of it, but if not, you need to have the Kayaksa Bank on the right of you and Sagrada Familia to the left of you, and then you begin your walk this way. So let's see if we can get the name of the road. Okay, it's Carrera di Sardegna. So when you get to the corner of the road, you'll see Julia Travel over there, and then this is the way you gotta go. So here's the name of the street, and we'll start walking up here. But because I've got my scooter, I'll be in the scooter lane. But as you can see, this is the way up here. I'm probably going to speed this up in parts of it, but I just want you to see the beginning part so you know you're on the right path. There's not much that stands out on the street, but we'll find something we'll find some landmarks. So if you go in the right way, you'll see all of these things. And it's just a straight road basically. You just keep going. So after about 10 minutes of riding up this road, you'll get to this crossroad here, and if you're on the right route, you will see all of these things. So I'm just showing you, but there's also a tap here where you can get some water. So if you see the tap, you know you're on the right road. So we're going to continue straight up here. So if you're walking, you just continue walking up here. I'll get back in the bike lane and we'll continue the journey. So guys, when I was down there, I forgot to stop and tell you that we've got to take a right rather than going straight up. So down here, we took a right and we're up here now. So once you get to here, this is Alphonse X. The metro stop is just there, and there's another one over here, but this is a way that you'll remember this, because you'll see the metro here. Let me have a quick zoom into it. So there's the metro. So even if you got the metro, this is where you'd come out. So we're gonna go not straight up this one, but we're gonna go up this one here. So you could say get to the top of the hill and then you go left. Is there anything else? The bins are there, if that might help you remember these buildings here. But this traffic junction is quite wide, and I think it's something that you'll remember. So I'm going to continue the journey and I'll show you some more. So when we get to the top of the hill, you're on a weird junction now. So we've just came from down there, sorry. And when you get to the top of this hill, there's a football stadium here. There's a block of buildings, so you'll know you're on the right way if you see that. This way goes towards the hospital, and we're not going right. We're going to go straight up here. Let's see. So yeah, let's continue the journey up there and see if there's any more landmarks. So now, we just came up that one now, and as you can see, you'll probably recognize this pink building the next time you're coming up here. And we are gonna go over there, so we need to go straight up there. I think you need to go up this one actually, but because I've got the scooter, there's a lot of steps that way, so we're gonna go this way. Okay, let's cross. And as you can see, now we have made it to Park Güell. There is another way to get to Park Güell, but this is the other way to get in, let's say. And now we're here, and this is how you get here. I'm hope you enjoyed watching this, guys. It's been fun filming it. So my overall review of traveling over here is make sure to carry some water, and yeah, enjoy your journey here. I mean, like once you get here, then it opens up some new opportunities, some new things to see and do. You can spend the whole day here. It's really nice.